Hello kids, welcome back. See, today we are going to learn about the people who help us with our textbook. So take out your textbook and take page number 3636. Okay, everyone got this page? Okay, we'll start now. Okay, see, in Zootopia, anybody can be anything. Let's learn about people who help us. So students, you also watch now nearby. Many people are there. They are having various professions. Okay. And we remember now. See first picture. Doctor. How we recognize doctor? With the white coat, stethoscope. Yes, no? Yes. So we'll go through these pictures one by one. First one, doctor. Yes. Second one, can you recognize? Teacher. Okay. Next one, policeman. Come down now. Second line, first picture. See, he is doing painting. Colors are there. Paintbrush is there. He is a painter. This one with the blazer, tie, everything. Suit, banker. This man holding the logs. He is a carpenter. Next one, see here, pipe is there, no, water pipe to put out the fire. He is a firefighter. Next one, see here, vegetables are there. They both are farmer. And the last one, see, one nice dish is there, na? He is a chef. Okay, got this one? Okay, now we'll go to this activity. See, Judy is an officer. Match the helpers with their related thing. So here, people are there and related things are there. What we have to do? We have to match them. Okay, see, first picture, doctor. Yes, no? See now here, doctor. What doctor is using? Money? No. This is stethoscope. Yes, doctor is using it. So what we have to do? This both the pictures we have to match with pencil. Slowly. Don't scribble it. Match it properly. Done? Very good. Now second picture, teacher. Now where we have to match? With the money? No. With the stethoscope? No. With the books? Yes. Teacher is always carrying books, no? So match this teacher to the books. Okay. Done? Now come to the third picture. See, one nice dish. What I told you, he is a chef. So where we have to match this one? What he is using? Money? No. Stethoscope? No. Books to cook food? No. And this one is a pan. He is using pan to cook food? Yes. Very good. Now we have to match this one. And the last picture. He is a banker. So where we have to match? Banker means? Yes, first one, money. So match this properly. Easy, no? Yes, very good. Now come to the page number 38, 38 and 39, 39. Now we are going to learn about living and non-living things. What do you mean by living things and non-living things? Here, living things can move. They can go from here and there. They can move. They can shake. They can feel. When you touch them, they can feel. And grow also. From small to elder one, they can grow also. And what they need? They need food and water to grow. And they breathe. You also breathe now? Yes. Now with this picture, we'll see living things and non-living things. First of all, we'll see living things. Okay. What we learn, living things can move, feel and grow. They need food and water and they breathe. Yes. Now first picture, trees and plants. We first of we see we have watched that activity, trees, plants, how they grow when we plant them. So they can grow, they can move also when wind is there. Okay, so these are living things. Second one, see here, cute animals and birds. See these three categories we saw for living things. They can move, they can feel, and they can grow also, and they need food and water, and they can breathe. Yes, and last one, like us humans. Yes, no, we saw now how we grow up, baby, child, teenage, and then adult. Yes, these are living things. And what are the non-living things? Non-living things can't move, can't grow, can't feel. Okay, and they can't breathe also. So we'll go to non-living things. See, first he is holding that box. You saw a box, no? They can grow, they can feel anything. No, they can't breathe also. These are non-living things. Second picture is a hut. Hut is also non-living things. Why non-living things? Because they can't move, feel and grow. Next is gem. Okay, this is also non-living things. Understood about living things and non-living things? Okay, quickly we go to this activity. See here what we have to do. There are many living things and non-living things around us, around this Snow White. What we have to do? We have to tick correct the living things. Okay, we'll start. First is gem. Gem is a living thing or non-living thing? Tell me fast. Non-living thing. Yes. So we have to tick correct here. No. Next one is box. Box is a living thing or non-living thing? It can grow, feel? No. It is a non-living thing. So we should not cross. We should not tick correct here. Next, animals and birds. They can move, feel, grow. They can breathe. They need water, food. Yes, very good. So they are living things. So tick correct here. Done. Now last picture. It is a hut. Hut is a living thing or non-living thing? Hut can move? No. So this one is non-living thing. So we will not tick correct here. Okay. Where is activity now? Okay. See you next session. Bye.